Hey guys, I'm going to be doing another model unboxing. This one's one of 2 or maybe 3 choices. So guess I'm going to open it from here. Packing peanuts again. Okay, hold on, let me get this out. I'm not sure because it's actually one of 2 or one of 3. I'm not sure which one it was. I have a couple choices what this could be. Yep, what I thought it was. That's what I was hoping for. Very high detailed model. It's the Komatsu GD655 road grader. It's made by first gear and 1/50th scale. Oh, here we go. Here's the model. Here it is. Oh, look here. I got a coupon. Not coupon, like a collector's club thing. Oh, first gear collector's club. For like latest releases and stuff. Pull this out of the box. Sorry you guys can't really see it. Gotta get this thing out of the bridge of the grader. Piece of styrofoam they put in there. First gear. Hold on. There's a piece right there I got cut out. No way, here it is. It's probably gonna turn over like this. I told you to turn over. Anyway, here's the model. Very nice model. The ripper moves are really nice. Very detailed. It's made by first gear and 1/50th scale. I got this off of eBay for $15 plus the shipping. I've seen this. Oh, looky here, it pivots out to the side like it should do. The greatest slope. Let me just look at it a little bit more. This should do good in my new dial. So I got it. Well, thanks for watching, guys.